Capital One Venture Card Benefits. Do you travel frequently? The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card is an attractive option for the serial wanderluster. That's why it's being recognized among our best credit cards of 2021. The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card offers you enjoy a one-time bonus of 60,000 miles once you spend $3,000 on purchases within 3 months from account opening, equal to $600 in travel. Unlimited 2 miles per $1 spent on every purchase every day. Rewards don't expire for the life of the account. No blackout dates or restrictions for redemption. Fly any airline, stay at any hotel, anytime. No blackout dates. And now you can transfer your miles to 15 plus leading travel loyalty programs. Just because the rewards are called miles, don't restrict your thinking to only airlines. Rewards can be redeemed for a variety of travel expenses, such as hotel accommodations, auto rentals and theme park tickets, or turned into cash and merchandise credit if you don't intend to travel. The 60,000 miles bonus offer starts things off on a nice foot, but the real star power of the Capital One Venture Card is that it enables you to earn 2x the miles on every dollar spent on every purchase, with no cap and no expiration on miles earned for the life of the account, and the redemption options are very flexible, too. This makes it one of the most compelling rewards cards on the market. Another wildly popular personal travel rewards card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card, also offers plenty of perks for cardholders, but neither of these cards has to be the only travel credit card in your wallet. It could be an excellent strategy to carry both the Chase card, so you can earn ultimate rewards points that can redeem for travel in the Ultimate Rewards portal for 25% more value, and the Venture card, so you have travel rewards that can be redeemed as statement credit to cover virtually any travel purchase, even those that aren't available through the Ultimate Rewards portal. Since you're earning 2 miles for every dollar you spend on the card, you're essentially claiming a 2% rebate. That's better than many cashback credit cards on the market. And because you control your own travel bookings, you're not subject to the whims of airline restrictions and blackout dates. In fact, redeeming rewards with the Venture card is as simple as earning them. You can use the Capital One travel portal to make a booking, or transfer your rewards to a travel partner, or you can simply choose the Cover Your Travel Purchases option to get reimbursed for a recent travel purchase. This allows you more flexibility in how you travel with rewards. Plane tickets, even on lesser-known or budget airlines, cruise lines, taxicabs, travel agents, rail lines and limousine services are just a handful of categories covered. This means you can use rewards to cover more specific things such as an Airbnb stay or a national park campsite booking. And just because the Venture card is advertised as a travel card doesn't mean you can't redeem rewards for other things, too. Say this is your go-to card, and thanks to the welcome bonus, you end up racking up 150,000 miles your first year as a cardholder. That's worth $1,500 in travel. Problem is though, you aren't really planning on traveling anytime soon. Say, perhaps, you have home renovation projects you need to tend to instead. Venture miles can be great for this too, thanks to the option to redeem for gift cards. From Amazon to Barnes & Noble to Sephora, the gift card choices are plentiful. What's really applicable to this example though is gift cards to places like Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Target, Sam's Club, West Elm, Pottery Barn and other home goods stores. * gift card options subject to change. Take the Home Depot gift card, for example. At the time of this writing, 100 miles equals 80 cents, meaning 150,000 bonus miles are good for $1,200 in Home Depot gift cards. That can go a long way towards updating your hall bathroom. In short, truly one of the greatest things about the Capital One Venture card is the flexibility that it offers, both in earning rewards and redeeming them.